Hello everyone, this is Truktruk from the Momentum team. In this video I'll be covering many of the new features presented in the most recent update. There's a lot to go through. To get started, let's begin with the website. After signing in through Steam, the dashboard for your profile will load. On the dashboard, you're able to view your overall statistics for runs you've submitted, the status of maps you've uploaded, how many maps you have in your library, and recent activities of other profiles you're currently following. Finding other profiles to follow can be done using the search function by clicking the magnifying glass found in the top right corner and typing a user's profile name. From the search results, you'll be able to identify who you're after. If you'd like to check who's following your profile, click the avatar on the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. From your profile page, you're able to see who you're following, who's following you, your overall stats, run statistics, and credits for any contributions you've made in a map that's been published on the site. Linking your profile to your other social media accounts like Twitter, Discord, and Twitch is possible too. Click the Edit Profile option and select the Social Links tab. Just be sure to save changes you've made to your profile. Aside from being able to access your profile from the dashboard, there are various options you can select from the dashboard on the left: Community, Maps, and Statistics. Let's have a look at the Community section. Inside Momentum Official, you'll find all the devlog posts, development changelogs, and tweets by the developers. Selecting the Twitch option loads a Momentum Mod livestreams page. The Recent Activity option shows recent publications to the leaderboards. You can filter this information on the top right by maps, personal bests, or world records. From the Maps category, you're able to add or remove maps from your library and favorites list. If your library is empty, select the Browse Maps option. All entries listed are maps you can currently download. To add a map to your library, select the folder icon on the right and the star icon on the right if you'd like to favor it. If you want to find more information about a map, you can select the image of it from the Browse Maps list. You'll get a page showing a wide range of information about the map, including a slideshow image gallery, description, credits, overall statistics for the map, and the leaderboard for the submitted runs. The last category from the dashboard is Statistics. This page will show you the overall stats for every submitted run on the leaderboards for all maps under Base Statistics. The Statistics page also shows map stats for both completed and non-completed runs, and you're able to find a list of currently popular maps based off their map stats, top played, most subscribers, or most downloaded. Now that we've seen what the leaderboards look like, some of you may be wondering how they work. When a player submits a run to the leaderboards, the results for their rank points, and cosmetic experience is determined by the submitted run's completion time. How we determine ranks and point distribution is through 3 different systems: top 10, groups, and cosmetic XP. The first source of points a player can achieve is from the top 10 positions on the leaderboards. If a player submits a run within the top 10, they are awarded a large amount of points. The player with the world record run is awarded 3,000 ranked points. Subsequent ranks are awarded decreasing amounts of points. This pyramid diagram displays the point distribution for each of the top 10 positions. When a player submits a run that isn't a top 10 time, the amount of points they are awarded is calculated through a group system. Each group acts as a bracket, each with their own group size. There are 4 groups a player can qualify for. In general, the first group holds ranks 11 through 30, 31 through 75 for Group 2, 76 through 200 for Group 3, and the fourth group is from ranks 201 through 400. However, on maps with lots of submitted runs, the group sizes will increase. Group 1 awards the greatest number of points, and Group 4 the least. The final source of points is calculated through a formula utilizing the player's map rank. We'll illustrate how this system works by explaining it on a line graph. On the y-axis to the left is how many points a player can be awarded. On the x-axis at the bottom is a player's map rank. After drawing out a curve to represent the number of run submissions, we're able to see where this specific rank lands on the graph and how many points are awarded for that position. Alright, so you've seen the website. Now you know how the leaderboards work. How about we show you what the game looks like now? When you load up Momentum Mod, you're going to notice that the UI has been revised, the main menu has changed, and the map selector has been updated. Maps in your library are synchronized between the game and the official website. Maps listed in your library with red colored text indicate they have not been downloaded. You can download the map by right-clicking it and selecting Download Map. You can also view extra map info by right-clicking the selection in your library and selecting Show Map Info. Here's what it will look like when you go to submit your runs to the leaderboard. Let's watch Beetle179 complete a run on Surf Mesa. Notice that when Beetle runs through a checkpoint, the exact time of the split is marked on the timer panel at the bottom. When the run is finished, you'll see a panel with the run statistics, any points and experience you are awarded, and confirmation that the run has been saved and uploaded. After your run has been published on the leaderboard, other players can easily access the replay in-game by pressing Tab and right-clicking the user's profile. The in-game leaderboards also display some other categories we thought the community would enjoy. You can find submitted runs based around your map rank and runs your friends have submitted. There's also additions to the zoning tools for mappers. To start building zones, you must use the command mom_zone_show menu, and a menu will appear. Bind the command to a hotkey for convenience. Once the menu is open, you'll see a window with multiple options. To select them, right-click to show the mouse cursor, then select Enable Zone Editing. In this example map, we have a linear map with only one stage. I'll begin by building a start zone. If you find yourself stuck or unable to change view, select Create Zone from the menu and you'll be able to start working. It's best to enter practice mode for the no-clip function. With this 3D cross shape, you can draw out the points that will make up the zone's shape. In this example, we will create a start zone. Click on the floor to create one corner of the zone. Drag out the shape on the floor, then click again. Move your view upward to scale vertically, specifying the height of the shape, and click once more to finalize it. To create the end zone, you can simply move the end platform and repeat the same process. When you're done, make sure to click Save Zones. Keep in mind not all maps are linear with one track like the map shown in this video. Some maps have stages or bonuses. Our zoning tools provide mappers with the ability to create different types of zones: start, checkpoint, stage, and end. After you've created your start and end zones, make sure you select the Save Zone option. Each map can have up to 64 zones, which we thought would be more flexible for creating zones. Each zone has a colored outline to represent the type of zone. A green outline indicates a start zone, a yellow outline is a checkpoint, blue outlines are stages, and a red outline is the end zone. Once your zones are set up, you can begin playing the map and start accurately getting recorded times. These runs aren't published to the leaderboards on the website, but rather a local leaderboard, where you can watch your replays, accessible by pressing the Tab key and selecting the local option. Another useful tool for mappers and players alike is the Save Lock menu, formerly the checkpoint menu, which is bound to the Z key by default. Using the Save Lock menu, users are able to save specific locations in the map with the ability to teleport back and forth between them, maintaining the same speed you were at when the save lock was created. Save locks allow players to experiment on their routes with ease. Pay attention to what the player is doing here. They save a location before arriving at an intersection. This lets them explore different avenues that branch out to different paths. Further, save locks allow for players to discover shortcuts and practice difficult sections of maps. It wouldn't be fun to leave your friends behind as you rise up the ranks on the leaderboards, and sometimes you're collaborating with others on a map you're building together, so you might want to share your save locks. In 080, players can now share their save locks by right-clicking on other users in the lobby panel and utilizing the Request Save Locks feature. To open the lobby panel, press and hold L. With this latest update, many of our biggest features are now in-game. The website's been integrated, the leaderboards are operational, and zones and replay systems have been refactored. What this means for development is that we'll be fine-tuning what we have in place. Updates will come in minor build versions we release for testing, and shortly, before you know it, the public beta will be available. Well, that's all for this update. If you're interested in contributing towards the project, be sure to join our Discord server and reach out. We're always looking for more talent to join our team.